Huh, what's this? What? What the fuck is that?
Atkins Police Department, what's your emergency?
I found some strange fragment on the ground at North Plagful Street, and I picked it up. The moon and the sky suddenly changed.
Sir, please remain calm. Can you describe this fragment?
It was red in color and crescent-shaped, and... oh, it had a glowing red aura around it. I got curious and picked it up. But the fragment turned into this gas-like substance before rising and expanding.
Sir, I need you to get out of the area and find the closest substantial shelter. You might have disturbed something very serious. We will send a team to North Plagful Street right away.
Ha 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 ha. What a glorious day. And what a beautiful world this is. The beauty of growth. And the sorrow of death. Yes, the essence of life. It seems that I have returned from a fatal loss. As a thank you for collecting the Blood Moon fragments, let me clear the skies for you. Now, look, the moon on the horizon. Do you see it? It's the Blood Moon. It means he has returned. Much stronger, bigger, and angrier than before. It's shining lovely, isn't it? Well, guess what? The Blood Moon will be the death of all humanity. Once the humans suffer enough, I will reclaim the planet and destroy the entire universe thereafter. You have absolutely no chance of making it through the night this time. You are all helpless and will all be bowing down to your new leader. If anyone dares question the Blood Moon, they shall be executed into the depths of hell. This is Tartarus.